Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to solve with you probably the easiest interview question in JavaScript. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So why would they ask you this question if it's very easy? Well, they ask you this question because they want to know if you know built-in JavaScript functions or not. Because sometimes you can just solve an interview question with just one built-in JavaScript function instead of creating your own algorithm or your own function or script or whatever. On the other hand, sometimes they want you to create your own algorithm. So if you are not sure, you can ask them. Can I use a built-in JavaScript function or not? If you already know, lots of built-in JavaScript functions. So the question is to alphabetically order this string letters. So here we have M-O-S-T-A-F-A, Mustafa, my name. So we want to reorder this, meaning that we want to put A at the beginning while we put S at the end because it's probably the last one, or T at the end and S just before it, and F I think the second. So we need to alphabetically order or reorder this string, my name. So what I'm gonna do is that instead of creating my own algorithm, I already know a built-in function in JavaScript that will do this in just a couple of lines. So the function that I'm going to use is the sort function, but in order to use it, we need first to split this string so that we can use it. So first I'm going to get that name and then split it, and then after we split it, all we need to do is to call the sort. That is it. It's going to sort these letters. But since we have here a capital letter, before we call the split, we need first to use the two lower case. Then we can call the split and then the sort. Let's just store the result in a var result equals to this. And finally, I'm gonna just console.log, and I think we need to rejoin result. I think we need to rejoin the array into a string. As you can see now, it's now alphabetically ordered. We started with A and then A again because we have two A's, and then F and then M and then O and then S and then T. Then now we have these letters or this string alphabetically ordered. And in order to join back this string, this array into a string, we can simply use the join. That's it. The join function will get the job done. As you can see, the join function will rejoin the letters into a string. So we have A, and then F, M, O, S, T. And of course, and as usual, you need to submit this, whether you are solving this problem online with a timer on your computer or on a whiteboard or on a paper. You need to create a function, usually. Not always, but usually they will ask you to create a function so that you will be able to test it with different strings. So here we can say order a string or alphabetically order a string, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm gonna just pass the string, and let me just push these couple of lines inside, and of course we need to return the result here. Return, that is it. And we can now test it. Let's test it. by first we use the console log, and inside the console log we can call the order a string, and we pass the name, my name. If I save and run, I'm going to get the same result. Let's pass a dummy string, let's say GTWERA. If I save and run, I'm going to get the same, because here we need to here change this to string, because this string is the string that we pass. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to again save and retest or rerun. And as you can see now, this dummy string has been alphabetically ordered A, E, G, R, T, W. So this function works perfectly. So if you have any questions about this question, leave them in the comments section below. Also check the description below, because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. This is Most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.